Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today we will learn about natural resources, its types, and how we can conserve them. So, first of all, come to natural resources. Nature has gifted us with lots of good things such as air, water, forests, soil, minerals, and wildlife. These things are called natural resources. We depend on these resources for our daily needs. Or we can say natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. Any natural substance that humans use can be considered a natural resource. Oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone and sand are natural resources. Other natural resources are air, sunlight, soil and water. Now here are few more examples of natural resources like sun, forest, rock, minerals, animals, air, oil, water, soil, etc. Now types of natural resources. Natural resources can be divided into two types, that are renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are renewed or replenished by nature in a short span of time, whereas non-renewable resources may not be replenished by nature or take very long geological time to be formed again. In renewable resources, they are available continuously like solar energy, water, etc. Whereas non-renewable resources are exhausted after use. In renewable resources, we can divide it into continuous or flow, whereas in non-renewable resources that can be recyclable or non-recyclable. Now here are few more examples of renewable as well as non-renewable resources. Like examples of renewable resources are plants, animals, and examples of non-renewable resources are minerals, fossil fuels. So here few more examples of renewable resources are solar, wind, hydro, biomass, etc. And examples of non-renewable resources are coal, oil, gas, stones, etc. Now come to the conservation of natural resources. Natural resources should be used very carefully as non-renewable resources are limited and we cannot replace them. So protection of the natural resources is called conservation. Or we can say conservation of resources is the ethical and sustainable use and the protection of valuable natural resources by humans. So these are the resources that provide the basic sources or needs of living like water, food, clothing and shelter. Now some ways are to conserve natural resources. So we can conserve our natural resources by the following methods. Saving water. We should use water in a limited way, or we can say we should not waste water. Making afforestation means we have to plant more and more trees. Next is stopping cutting of trees. We should stop the cutting of trees so that we can stop soil erosion. Next is using electricity in limit while nobody at make sure that all the electronic appliances are switched off. We should have to use the electricity in a very limited way. Whenever it is required, then only we have to use. Avoid air and water pollution also, and we can protect wildlife also to conserve our natural resources. Okay children, take care.